Hello people, so today is Tuesday and yesterday I did not record my video or vlog or journal because I got tired and slept, and also I kind of downloaded Instagram, but yep, I deleted the account, but एक महीने का recovery होता है, so I reinstalled it but did not waste time till now. आगे का पता नहीं, and will try my best to not waste the time because I thought of a technique or a trick. Let's see if it applies or not to trick my brain. So how was my day? Today I woke up around 5:30. कल लेट से सोए थे, फिर भी आज जल्दी उठे. So you can imagine how my morning went. Like till 9 o'clock I was feeling sleepy, full drowsiness, and just sleeping to bed, chair, कहीं भी जहाँ मिले, table. Then I did lecture. Today was bio lecture, human reproduction, Phoenix 3.0 definitely, and that's all about lectures. And I made notes which I didn't make yesterday and day before yesterday of physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry, because I was kind of lazy that time, so I thought I would do that later. So it means that I kind of revised also. So the day was good, nothing much happened. Also, I watched my favorite movies, which I used to watch like 1 to 2 years before. So that's all for today, and the day was good, okay, and not wasted much of the time. Just slept here and there and watched movies. And also I was watching a documentary today, समथिंग आई डोंट रिमेम्बर नेम, कुछ सोशल इंटरनेट के बारे में था, लाइक डेटिंग ऑन द इंटरनेट, जियो हॉटस्टार पे. सो आई वॉज वॉचिंग दैट बट डिडंट कंप्लीट. विल कंप्लीट टुमारो और डे आफ्टर टुमारो, आई डोंट नो, वेन एवर आई गेट द टाइम. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. एंड कल का दिन वॉज डिप्रेसिंग. लाइक I was thinking about myself that I am again doing the same thing, and it's fine. Just planning is never an option. We have to implement that, and I'm trying my best to implement, and that's all. I am happy and good. So being happy is the key to live and nothing else. So that's all for today. Me Shaurya signing off. Bye bye and good night. Hello people, so today is Thursday and I haven't recorded yesterday on Wednesday because I thought क्योंकि फ़ोन बाहर रखना था, बेसिकली इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज. सो अभी कितने बज रहे हैं? द टाइम इज़ 10:55 or 11 समथिंग लाइक दिस. सो आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो. सो कैसा गया मेरा कल का और आज का दिन? So the day went good. I am attending live classes, live lectures, which made me consistent about studies, and also got some pressure about studies. Like I started focusing more on studies, which was a lacking. But also I told you in last journal that I downloaded Insta, and I am trying to control it. And in last 4 days or 3 days, I just use it for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, like per day 20 minutes or 25 minutes. I am trying some tricks, and let's see if I can follow it. The only thing which I think will stop me is that chatting on Insta. Reels will definitely not stop me. Chatting's good. So I don't think chatting is useless until it's done at a particular time. So I have made something to control that, and I am happy with that I used Insta for 25 minutes today. Yesterday also 25 or 20 minutes, and day before yesterday for like I think 30 minutes, and that's all. So the days are going fine and everything is just same. Classes चल रहे हैं. Waking up around कितने बजे? Waking up around 7, अप्रॉक्स 7, 7 बजे जग रहे, सो रहे 11 बजे. हैविंग अ गुड स्लीप, एंड दैट्स ऑल. नॉट एक्सरसाइजिंग, एंड सॉरी आई डिडंट मेडिटेट टू, विच आई शुड. बट आई ऑल्सो read a book called Mountain is You or something like that by Jane West, or I don't remember the name, sorry. एंड इट वाज गुड. इट वाज अबाउट सेल्फ रेजिस्टेंस, मतलब कैसे अपने आप को इम्प्रूव किया जाए, विच आई एम वर्किंग ऑन. लाइक सेल्फ के बारे में था सिर्फ, हाउ टू come over resistance, perfectionism, and many other things. So you can also read in free time if you got that. And that's all for today. Me Shora signing off. Bye bye and good night. Bye bye. Hello people, welcome to a new journal. और आज है Saturday. So कल का दिन और आज का दिन कैसा गया? In this week I tried something different, like recording on alternate days, not daily, and also not summarizing the whole week in once a time, like on Sunday or on Saturday. But I thought that I should do it on alternate day just to save time. मतलब कोई मतलब नहीं, just I did this because I don't know why. So how was my day? तो जब से लाइव लेक्चर्स आई स्टार्टेड, एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड. लाइक फुल, मतलब लाइव लेक्चर्स एक भी नहीं छोड़ते हैं. लाइक लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो आई नेवर लेफ्ट एनी लाइव लेक्चर्स इन द होल ईयर. मतलब कुछ ज़रूरत हो तभी छोड़े थे, मतलब कुछ इमरजेंसी हो तो, नहीं तो ऐसे नहीं छोड़े. एंड दिस गोज़ दिस टाइम ऑल्सो. अभी तक एक भी लेक्चर नहीं छोड़े. एंड ऑल्सो द होल डे गोज़ वेल क्योंकि सिर्फ लेक्चर होता है. और नोट्स एंड रिवीजन एंड NCERT रीडिंग, दिस 3 थिंग्स आर लैकिंग, जो कि मेन है. सेल्फ स्टडी इज़ द मेन. सो आई विल बी ट्राइंग इट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट वीक, बिकॉज द नेक्स्ट वीक विल बी अ ब्रेक क्योंकि ईयर का मिडिल है, तो सम इवेंट्स आर देयर, like something special. So I'll be taking a break of 1 week from studies, from everything. And so just going on mountains, on peace, meditation. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, but हाँ something like that. So वैसा ही है. So that's all. और सुबह में उठते हैं वही, like average timing इस week था 7 to 7:30. Like I never got up before that. और या एक दिन 5:30 या 6 बजे जगे थे. रोज़ इतने ही बजे जगते थे. एंड आई डिड मेडिटेट एवरी डे, नॉट एवरी डे बट ट्राई टू डू. एंड एक्सरसाइज वर्कआउट एक दिन भी नहीं हुआ. और ना ही हाँ, और ऑल्सो आई डाउनलोडेड इंस्टाग्राम, बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि आई गॉट ट्रैप्ड इनटू द लूप एंड एल्बम मेरे को दिन भर चलाते रहने दिया. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Like I definitely use per day 20 to 30 minutes. Like I'm not trying to control, just it is getting controlled because I have classes. कह सकते हैं, but ऐसा भी नहीं है. I'm also trying from my side. First I thought to leave, but then I thought to why to suppress the emotion. Let's just balance. And so I'm trying this week to balance, and it is well till now. Next week I won't be using that because I will not be present and future. And उसके बाद I will also try to take it to 10 to 30 minutes, not more than that, every day. And it's not disturbing me क्योंकि it's making me feel good. Like I have journaled like every time कि जब भी चलाते हैं तो, and it feels good most of the time. It makes me happy, sometimes confused, sometimes क्या मतलब escape जैसा काम करता है, work as an escape. So it's okay. I'm validating using Instagram while preparing, but it's not like that. It's just I'm trying to balance क्योंकि since this is the era of these things, so just living and being a monk is not a right way, my opinion, कि ऐसा करना ठीक नहीं रहेगा. You need to balance it. मतलब I need to balance it. I need to balance every aspect of my life, and I am trying. And since I am trying, I am happy, and I am being consistent on my videos on my channel. So that's one of the best thing I ever did. And bus I'm happy, and that's all for today and for this week. Or हाँ pimple. So bye bye, tata and good night, and see you next week.